Alright, y'all, this is how you start a trash fire. Like that. So you do that, and then what you do is you get you a couple matches, like this, not like the ones that just dropped on the ground. Then so you do that. Boom. Trash fire, boys. That's how you do it. America. Pro skills, all that stuff. And in case it's not burning enough. Oh shoot. This is really bad. Oh my gosh, that was really stupid. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is how you put out a fire, okay guys? It's the mats to the ground. Oh, you know what? It's fine. Boom, I used my foot. Oh my gosh, that was really dumb.